So this is voice to skull / Frey effect. It's a constant beam of radio frequency shot at a person's head, and then it's got those little pulses, just like that, that have communication inside of it. So my phone's got its signal off right now, not connected to Wi-Fi or to mobile networking, and this is still right here, hitting me right in the head. And that is Frey effect right there, or voice to skull. It's hitting me right in the head. And you see the value, it's saying it's extreme. Do you hear that?